you're interested in the Razer Kaira Pro.
In the box, we'll find the headset itself, a braided USB-C to USB-A cable, the boom mic, the manual, and some stickers. The first thing I noticed when grabbing this one out of the box was the fact that the cups are so loose on the hinge. A little too loose if you ask me. Every time I grab these, they move all around, causing a lot of stress on the hinges, I assume. So I'm worried for its durability. On the left ear cup, we have the mute button, which is a switch here. That makes it easier to operate while on your head, since it's so recognizable. Below that, we have the volume wheel, which has soft stops or gears. It would have benefited from a middle stop here, to make it easier to find that right spot. And then we have the on-off button and the aux slot for the boom mic. On the other side, we have the link button, the mixer for chat/game sound, and the Bluetooth button. You can easily adjust its size in steps, and it even tells you on which step it landed on. So you can adjust it on step 3, for example, and have that on both sides. On top it has padding, of course, which is fine, but once again it could have been a little better. One extra negative here though is the fact that you can see the plastic edges when you push in the foam. I can imagine this being a problem for some people, depending once again on the size of your head. The more the cups are pushed outwards, the more it exposes the plastic edge. I couldn't help but notice the cracking noises the build produces. It doesn't feel cheap when you hold it, but then if you move it around, you can clearly hear that type of sound a really cheap headset would make. The boom mic doesn't look aesthetic at all, and I think it even looks kind of weird. Now what does that ear cup material remind you of? That's right, the SteelSeries Arctis. And it kind of feels like that too, but not exactly the same. It felt like it was a cheaper feeling version. These also produce a lot of sound when rubbing up against your glasses. You can also pop these off if you wish, for cleaning or replacing. And the sound of this headset is really balanced. There's no high highs or low lows, but everything just comes together as one, which is really a good aspect. Now you can tweak these yourself too, even on Xbox. But for now, I'll focus on the out-of-the-box experience, so to say. That also means there is no cinematic bass experience. There is of course a good bass, but nothing too special here. Like I said, it kind of melts together with the other sound produced. Now as far as design goes, that green only goes with a very niche gaming setup. And I would not use that in any other scenario other than gaming. The green is just too specific, not subtle. Now on the side it has this glowing Razer logo, which looks really cool. I've read amazing things about the battery life on this thing, but from my testing it got around 24 hours with the chroma lights on, which is still very good. Awesome that you made it to the end. Maybe you're interested in these videos too.